Today we're learning the chords to Little L by Jamiroquai. Here's how it goes. And it does that for the whole song. So here's that first chord. E flat in the left hand, D flat, G flat, and B flat in the right hand. Next chord, A flat in the left hand, and C, E flat, and B flat in the right hand. Next chord, F in the left hand, and C, E flat, A flat in the right hand. And then B flat in the left hand, C, E flat, and B flat in the right hand. And then we got this little thing, that little chromatic movement. E in the left hand, D, G, and B in the right hand, and back to that first chord. And that's it for Little L by Jamiroquai.